Every piece of content in Drupal, articles, pages, recipes, is stored as a node, the fundamental content entity the whole system is built around. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. Creating content means creating a node of a specific content type, filled in with real field values. Nodes can be published or unpublished, and optionally promoted to the front page or made sticky at the top of lists. Every node has a revision history by default. Previous versions aren't lost when content is edited. The node add form is generated automatically from whatever fields are attached to that content type, no manual form building needed. LoadMultiple is far more efficient than calling load in a loop when fetching several nodes at once. The node add form is generated automatically from whatever fields are attached to that content type, no manual form building needed. Node create with a type key and field values is the programmatic equivalent of filling out and submitting the node add form. Node load $nid fetches an existing node by its numeric ID set, changes a field, save, persists the change, and creates a new revision by default. revisionIds returns every revision ID ever saved for that node. Drupal keeps a full audit trail by default, viewable at node 1 revisions. LoadMultiple is far more efficient than calling load. In a loop, it fetches all requested entities in a single query. Unpublishing keeps the content and its history intact but hides it from anonymous visitors, usually preferable to permanently deleting content. Here's the real difference. A node is Drupal's fundamental unit of content, always tied to one content type. A node is Drupal's fundamental unit of content, always tied to one content type. Node, create, load, save are the programmatic equivalents of the add-edit content forms. Every node keeps a revision history by default. Editing doesn't destroy the previous version. Create a recipe node programmatically with node, create, then find it listed at admin content. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.